guys, good morning. It's me again, Fatima Adnan, here in living in Pakistan. Sorry. So now guys, I show you something because we I have unboxing from gift from my madam's kids, and because today is Mother's Day. That's why, yes, today is Mother's Day, guys. That's why, and her son giving me this letter. Oh, yeah, this letter. Happy Mother's Day. And then he have right here. Yes, and then he said in her letter, "Dear Fatima, you work hard for your family." Wow, so good. You are a good mother. Wow, thank you so much, Saha and Noy and Jar and her mom and her father also. Thank you so much for kindness for me. Yeah, I'm so lucky to have this family. I'm a part of family. That's why, yes. And then the next one is this. I don't know what is this. So let's go. We unboxing. Yeah. I'm so excited. Wow, oh my god, so beautiful. Yes, guys, so beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, so beautiful. Her structure. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, what I like. Oh, look guys. Wow. Nice. Wait. Oh my god. Oh no. Here my coworker is here. Wow, so nice.
You're making it so stupid.
Oh my god. So nice. Hey.
My aunt also had.
Ah, you also have?
My aunt, not me. I don't know how she had.
What, how?
But like, madam, maybe she also have like that.
Ah, nice.
I will request, can you please?
I like it.
And maybe she have like this same, then I will say, give me.
Oh my god. I like it. Veria. Nice.
I like so much flower.
Yes, I like so much this flower.
I wish my aunt was same like this. I will give. Please give it to me.
But she have daughter.
And she's so small.
No, yes, of course, this is good for the.
It's okay, I also same like she got it. Oh.
I'm doing, when I hold, I'm doing it. I don't know what this is. When I open, oh my god, I'm surprised. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. And this, I keep this.
Who did it?
Nui.
Another day?
Yes.
There is only.
They're Fatima. Ay, so sweet. Happy Mother's Day. I keep this.
Oh my god, nice.
This is my remembrance. This is first time I received this from kids of my madam and boss.
No one.
And this one also. In Saudi Arabia, I received this when I was getting married. After marriage, and she gave me makeup, mirror, or what else? I think I have some name like a letter G. Eh,
Well, I wish my aunt also had some like this flower.
I love it. But yes, I'm surprised about this. I like it. Oh my god.
I like only this flower.
I like her style. Oh.
My aunt sent like on this and I said, please give it to me.
Please give it for me. Auntie, please give it for me. Yeah. So now
Making video, you see yourself.
yes, of course. How I can see myself when I'm not making video?
You see my poor girl skin. I said you talking to your friend.
Yes, I'm talking in video.
No.
Yes, you not want see? You not see?
No. You're only on the video.
Yes, of course. How you can? How? Of course, you talk on the video. Oh my God, Sabrina! If you make video, so you can talk, you can
Yeah.
tell, and you can show what kind of gift you have, what kind of gift you
Then you send
receive.
it to him. Then he see.
Huh? Yes, of course. I post on my YouTube channel. Hmm.
Everyone will see.
Yes, everyone I see.
Like this.
Yes, of course. Many people making vlog like this, like you making vlog during.
No. Show you anything.
No, I'm not showing like this. Oh my God, Sabrina.
Yeah, I know. You see, I will make the video and I will speak. I'm so clean. I will show you. What did you say to me in the kitchen?
You want
Show me how is you clean.
first?
You started. I'm so stupid.
Are you shameless? You want show to people your puday?
You want to show? You say I will make you.
I'm just joking. And you make serious? Oh my God.
No.
Yes.
Are you talking in the kitchen?
Huh?
When we go downstairs, then we can talk like this. There's
A lot of
Sir
people.
Uncle. No, Lasa.
Of course, how I can.
Or we drink milk also. We feel hot. There's kitchen, there's oven, there's water. We will suck up.
Guys, this is water. I do
No.
like that. Okay, guys, bye bye. Thank you for
Downstairs.
watching. Please,
Or she's doing makeup things and she's.
I'm not doing makeup. I'm just putting cream.
I want to come white. Because I look pretty. That's why she's doing this thing. And she made a so small shirt.
Oi, stop it. Ayaw.
This video not start.
So now, guys, this
Oh,
is
the guy.
all is finished. So bye bye. Please
अब तो और
support
तो
my
नहीं
YouTube channel
मेरे-
and
मेरे
please
बात तो
subscribe
सुने।
and like. Bye bye.
मेरे बात तो सुने